Tired of juggling time tracking and project management like a circus act? Let's tame that chaos by integrating Clockify with Smartsuite, a powerhouse duo for streamlined workflows. This integration lets you seamlessly track time spent on Smartsuite tasks directly within Clockify, centralizing your project data and boosting efficiency. First, log into your Clockify account, then, on the left sidebar, find and click on Integrations. This is where the magic begins. Now, use the search bar to find Smartsuite. Once you see it, click on it to initiate the connection process. You'll be prompted to authenticate your Smartsuite account. Click Authorize and follow the on-screen instructions to grant Clockify the necessary permissions to access your Smartsuite data. This is a secure process, ensuring seamless communication between the two platforms. Next, you'll map your Clockify projects and tasks to corresponding solutions and records within Smartsuite. This ensures that the time tracked is accurately associated with the correct project. Select the correct field so your data is synced properly. Now, when you track time in Clockify, those entries will automatically appear within the corresponding Smartsuite record. This gives you real-time visibility into project progress and resource allocation. By integrating Clockify and Smartsuite, you'll unlock a new level of efficiency. Enjoy streamlined workflows, improved time tracking accuracy, and automated reporting, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters: getting the job done.